against the tide, if you go against the wave. But if your intuition tells you to go in your own lonely direction, follow your heart, follow what that intuition tells you. Reasonably, you can't verbalize why you feel a particular way, but your intuition just say, hey, it's time to go. I want to go to this place. And sometimes going to that place may require you to going against the wave. You have to follow your own wave. The journey will be longer. Knowing that you can't physically materialize or use logic or reasoning. A sense of awareness, your deeper, your subconscious or your unconscious or your universal unconscious understanding. It's like you have a kind of deep